today's session. Today we are learning some basic properties related to subtraction. Okay, we all of you know the subtraction of one digit number. Okay, some properties related to subtraction. Okay, so all of you look at the blackboard. First property of subtraction is subtracting 0. You subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the same number. Okay, means the students, if you have 7 pencils and no pencil is taken out from the box, that box have same number of pencils. Okay, 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Okay, in that box 7 pencils and we not take any pencils, so we subtract 0 from that 7 and it becomes 7. Okay, when you subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the same number. Okay, when you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. Okay, see, look at first example, 8 minus 0. Okay, 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay, we learn the property as when we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the same number. Okay, so we write this 8 as a answer of this subtraction. Second example is 1 minus 0. Okay, again when we subtract 1 from 0, there is 1 is remaining. Okay, so we write 1 as a answer. Okay, and when we solve this subtraction, we use this property as when you subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the same number. Okay, and all of you look at these two examples. We use this property when solve the subtraction. Okay, now second property of subtraction is subtracting 1. Okay, all of you look at this picture. See, there are 4 flowers and we take one flower from that flowers. So we cross on this one flower and there are 3 flowers are remaining. Okay, when you subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before. Okay, the answer is the number before. So look at first example, 2 minus 1. Okay, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before. Okay, what is the before number of 2? 1. Okay, so we write the answer 1 using this property. Okay, means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, and now look at second example as 1. Okay, again when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number before. Okay, means which is the before number of 5? Tell me before number of 5? 4. Okay, so we write here 4 and we get the answer of 5 minus 1 as 4. Okay, so in this way, this is the second property of subtraction is subtracting 1. Okay, and the property is when a number before. Okay. The third property of subtraction is subtracting a number from itself. Okay. Three birds are in their nest, and if three birds are flew away, then there are 0 birds are left. Okay, all of you look at this picture and understand. When you subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. Okay, when you subtract any number from itself, that number, the answer is 0. That is first example. There is 7 minus 7. Okay. So, when we subtract any number from itself, okay, there are both the numbers are same. So, using this property, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. Okay, so we write 0 as a answer. It means 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay. Example 3 minus 3. Okay. Again, when we subtract 3 from 3. Okay. Means we subtract a number from itself, then the answer is 0. So we write here 0, and it means 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and when we solve the subtraction, when both the numbers are subtracting, that time the answer remains the 0. Okay, so dear students, we learn some properties of subtraction. Okay, there are three properties. First property is subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, the number itself is the answer. Okay. Second property is subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from any number, the answer is the number before. Okay. And the third property is subtracting number from itself. Subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. Okay, and these are three properties which are useful for subtraction. Okay, I hope you understand these properties and solve the example.